Hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Online Classes. Class 7, Subject Hindi, Lesson 8, Topic Veer Shivaji. You all must be knowing about great kings, right, children? So, Shivaji also was one of the greatest king of India. He was not born king, but he became king with his fearless and brave character. He was one of the most greatest king of India and he was very brave. We'll learn about him in the chapter today, children. We'll move on to the chapter. शिवाजी का जन्म सन 1630 में शिवनेर के किले में हुआ था. शिवाजी was born on 1630. We don't know the proper date here. They have only given the year, children. So he was born in the year 1630 in the fort of Shivneri. There was a fort in Shivner where Shivaji was born in the year 1630. उनके पिता का नाम शाहजी था. His father's name was शाहजी और वे बीजापुर नवाब के दरबारी थे. And he was a courtier in Bijapur court. Under the king of Bijapur, in his court, his father was a courtier. माता का नाम जीजाबाई था. His mother's name was जीजाबाई. शिवाजी का पूरा नाम शिवाजी भोंसले था. Shivaji's full name was Shivaji Bhonsle. So Shivaji's father name was Shahji, his mother's name was Jijabai and his full name was Shivaji Bhonsle. माँ ने उनका लालन पालन बड़े अच्छे ढंग से किया. His mother brought him very well. Her upbringing was very well and she was a very courageous lady also. वे वीर पुरुषों की कहानियाँ उन्हें सुनाती. As she was very courageous, she used to tell her the stories about the brave men. That is the brave kings. Like when the children are small, what stories will their mother tell them, children? Yes, it may be about some fairies or it may be about some things what children like. But here, Jijabai told Shivaji the stories about great people. उन्होंने बचपन से ही अपने दादा कोंड देव जी ने सभी युद्ध कलाएं सिखाई. From childhood itself, his grandfather Kond Dev ji taught him all types of martial arts. Many things comes under martial arts, children, like karate, kung fu and different type of weapon, how we have to use the weapon and everything. So his grandfather taught him all the ways to use the weapons and he taught him all the martial arts. शिवाजी निडर और बहादुर बालक की तरह मवाली बालकों की टोली बनाकर उनके नायक बनते और युद्ध के खेल खेला करते. As Shivaji was a very brave and fearless child, he used to gather all the crazy children who will be there on the streets to play. He will gather them all and he will make a team of them and he will become the leader of that team. And what game do they play, children? When we all will be playing, we will be playing very simple games, right? But what games Shivaji and his team used to play, They used to play the games of war. How we have to make war and how we have to take over other forts and everything. They used to play that games. And at the same time, he taught them also the martial arts to get ready for the army. एक बार उनके पिता शाहजी भोसले उन्हें अपने साथ बीजापुर दरबार ले गए. Once upon a time, Shivaji's father took him to the court of Bijapur with him. As he was a courtier, he has to go to the court, right, children? So, once Shahji Bhosle took Shivaji also with him to the court of Bijapur. उस समय शिवाजी केवल 8 वर्ष के थे. That time Shivaji was only 8 years old. सामने ही एक बड़े सिंहासन पर नवाब बैठे थे. When he entered the court, in front itself, the king was sitting on a big throne. You know throne? It will be very big, where the king will sit like chair, like it will be very big. So he was sitting on that throne. शाहजी ने बादशाह को सलाम किया और शिवाजी से कहा कि वह भी उन्हीं की तरह सिर झुकाकर बादशाह को सलाम करे. When Shahji entered the court, he bowed down and wished the king, and he tells Shivaji also to bow his head in front of king and wish him. बालक शिवा ने एक बार पिता की ओर देखा और फिर बादशाह की ओर देखकर बोले, ये मेरे राजा नहीं हैं, मैं भला क्यों इन्हें सलाम करूं? The small child Shiva, he once looked upon to his father, and again he turned his head towards the king, and he says, he is not my king. Maybe he is your king, you wish. He is not my king. Why I should wish him? This was the answer from an 8 years old Shivaji when his father told to wish the king. मैं इनके आगे सिर नहीं झुका सकता. He said, I will never bow my head in front of him. सभा में सन्नाटा छा गया. The total court was speechless. It was very quiet. The court became very quiet. बादशाह ने लाल लाल आंखों से शिवाजी को घूर कर देखा तो शाहजी ने सिर झुकाकर बेटे की ओर से क्षमा मांगी. Now the king was very angry. With his red eyes, he started staring Shivaji. When Shahji saw this, he again bowed down in front of the king and he asked for sorry in place of his son. और उसी समय शिवाजी को वापस घर जाने की आज्ञा दी. And Shahji asked Shivaji immediately to leave for his house. एक सेवक शिवाजी को लेने आए. शिवाजी वैसे ही सिर उठाए खड़े रहे, फिर शान से वापस लौट गए. One of the helper, he will come to take Shivaji out of the court, but he never bowed his head down. He just stood like with his head up and he went back to his home. धीरे धीरे शिवाजी युवक हुए. उन्होंने मवाली वीरों की एक सेना बनाई और आसपास के छोटे छोटे किलों को जीत लिया. After some time, Shivaji became little young and he made the group army of that small children with whom he used to play on the streets. No, he gathered all that children and he made a small army and he started conquering the forts nearby. He conquered all the small forts nearby his fort. माँ जीजाबाई ने शिवाजी को राज तिलक किया. So after this, his mother coronated him, that is Raj Tilak. For kings, there will be a function where they will be declared as king, which is known as coronation. That is Raj Tilak, we will call in Hindi. So he was coronated by his mother. और वे राजा बन गया. एंड ही बिकेम अ किंग फ्रॉम दैट डे. माँ ने आशीर्वाद दिया, राजा शिवाजी तुम सदा विजयी रहो. एंड हिज मदर गेव हिम आशीर्वाद like you have to be a great king in this world and you will always win. उस दिन से लगाकर कई किलों को शिवाजी ने जीता और एक बड़े राजा बन गए. From that day he conquered many big forts and he became a great king. उन दिनों सिंहगढ़ एक मुसलमान बादशाह के अधीन था. At that time, if you will see, there was a place called Sinhgarh which was under a Muslim king. माँ जीजाबाई एक दिन शिवाजी से बोली, शिवा, उधर दूर चमकते हुए उस किले की बुर्जों को देख रहे हो ना, वहाँ मुगलों का झंडा फहरा रहा है, वह हमें चाहिए. One day, his mother Jijabai will call him and said, Shivaji, can you see that fort upon there? Yes, there is a light in that fort and you can see the flag over there, that is the flag of Mughals. It is there on that fort. I need your flag to be there on the fort. That means his mother is ordering him to conquer that fort also. Mughal were very great kings of that time. So it was very difficult to get upon them. But his mother ordered him to conquer that fort and make your flag to fly over there on that fort. शिवाजी ने कहा, माँ भवानी तुलजा की सौगंध, मैं बहुत जल्द ही उस झंडे के स्थान पर हमारा केसरी झंडा फहराऊंगा. He took the promise of his god, that is Bhavani Tulja, and he said, as soon as possible, I will make my flag to fly over there on that fort. एक बड़ी सेना भेजकर शीघ्र ही किला जीत लिया और माँ को केसरी झंडा फहराकर दिखाया. Very soon he made a big army and he conquered the fort and he made his flag to fly over there and he has shown his mother that I can do it. एक दिन बीजापुर के उसी नवाब ने राजा शिवाजी को अपने महल में आदर सहित निमंत्रण किया. One day the same king who was very angry upon not bowing in front of him when the child was 8 years old, now what he is doing, he invited Shivaji to his court with due respect. Now Shivaji was invited by the king of Bijapur with due respect to his palace. शिवाजी शान से हाथी पर सवार होकर बीजापुर की गलियों में जब गए तो हजारों लोगों ने शिवाजी की जय जयकार कहकर उनका स्वागत किया. When he reached Bijapur, he went on a big elephant. When he reached the streets of Bijapur, all the people started shouting with joy. They said Shivaji ki jai, Shivaji ki jai, and he was invited with a great joy to बीजापुर. जब वे दरबार पहुँचे तो स्वयं नवाब ने उठकर उनका स्वागत किया और उनके आगे अपना सिर झुकाया. When he reached to the court, the king himself will stand up from his throne and he will invite him inside the court, and the king of Bijapur is bowing in front of Shivaji. So, see children how brave he was. When he was 8 years old, he was thrown out of the court. But now, he is invited to the court with due respect and the king himself is bowing in front of him with due respect. So, this is why I told first itself, Shivaji was a very brave and fearless king. Okay children, so this is what is all about Shivaji in this lesson. Here I am giving you the word meanings of this lesson. Just go through it. For question answers, we'll meet in the next session. Thank you children.